In this video, I'll show you how to run offline AI models on Linux. The app you'll need is called Alpaca. It's available as a Flatpak. If your Linux system has a Flatpak store, like Pop! OS, you can install it directly. If not, you'll need to install Flatpak first. Check the video description for the command. Once Flatpak is installed, go to flathub.org and search for Alpaca. When you see it, click to open the app page. Next to the Install button, click the drop-down. You'll see a command appear. Copy that command and run it in your terminal. Alpaca has a simple interface. When you open it, it will ask to install Alma. Just click the Install Alma button. It will take you to the GitHub page with setup instructions. Follow the steps and restart the app once it's done. Now, Alpaca should have Alma set up. Click on Manage Models. You'll land on the Models page. Switch to the Available tab. Here, you'll see a list of AI models you can use. Each model shows what it can do and how large it is. Pick the ones that suit your needs. You can also search by topic. For example, type science if you want a model trained on science data. Once the model is installed, you can start using it. Just enter your prompts like you would with any other AI. If this video helped, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.